So when we look at 9, 10, 11, and 12, we will realize that we have one log, and now we want to expand and create multiple logs. This is just one of those exercises that gets us used to the properties and used to looking at that and saying, oh, wow, those are really multiplied. Okay, fine. Because they're multiplied, they did not put the parentheses here. We have been in the habit of doing that, except I left them off here. Not a big deal, though. Because these are multiplied, 6x cubed. This is really log of 6 plus log of x cubed. If these are multiplied, then the logs themselves were added, and we're now splitting it apart. And then, you know, when we started these problems, I'd always look for a coefficient and say, well, he better come up, become an exponent. Well, he better come down and become a coefficient. And it better get in focus, too, because it's really blurry. There, this will straighten it out. There we go. Log 6 plus 3 log x. This goes without saying, so I won't say it long. Understood 10 here, understood 10 here. Okay? When we do these, there's going to be some 4s hanging around. So let's look at this one. I'm going to read it the way it is. Log of 4 times x squared divided by y to the 5th. And when I read it like that, then everywhere I say times, we put a plus with another log. And then everywhere I say divided by, we put a subtraction with another log. So let's read it again. This is log of 4 times, plus x squared divided by another log, y to the 5th. 4 times x squared divided by y to the 5th. 4x squared divided by y to the 5th. And you know what's about to happen, and you don't even have to draw the arrows, but I'm going to put that down here. I'm going to put that down. Whoa, went all over the place. My arrow is going crazy. Final answer, log of 4 plus 2 log of x minus 5 log of y. Done. 2 more. Okay, this is, okay, it's not multiplied by anything, it's not divided by anything, but there's a coefficient on it, sorry, an exponent on it that will become a coefficient. This is log of x, it's square rooted, which means the exponent is a half. And so we're going to take that exponent and bring it to the front. So we really have 1/2 log of x. Okay? All right, one more. When we do this one, we're going to read it just like we read this last one, number 10. And we're going to say, well, it's really log base 4 of 6 times square root of x. I'm going to jump ahead and call that x to the 1/2, right? That's what it is. See, we just did that over here. Divided by y squared. And now I'm going to take my exponents and move them to the front. They are now my coefficients. Again, this is just one of those ways that we get used to these properties because they will save us time later if we learn them now. I misspelled a 3-letter word. I misspelled log and I left my 1/2 off. There we go. 1/2 log x minus 2 log base 4 of y. There we go.